Meaning of Glasgow.
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 Glasgow. Glasgow is a city located in Scotland, UK. The name Glasgow comes from the Scottish Gaelic name Glashu, meaning dear green place. It is believed to refer to the green valleys surrounding the city. Glasgow has a rich history and vibrant culture, with notable landmarks such as Glasgow Cathedral, the University of Glasgow, and the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum. It is also famous for its music scene, with genres like indie rock, post-punk, and electronic music being popular. In recent years, Glasgow has become a popular tourist destination and a hub for business and innovation.